Hey folks, this is Long Ball Cards. Tonight we've got 3 2023 Top Series 1 blaster boxes. Now the odds on these, from what we've seen and heard, is not great, but we'll give them a shot. Get these for between $25 and $30, depending on where you find them, retail. Open them up, see what we find. Now, of course, they do advertise on these the new Golden Mirror parallel set. Kind of different this year with the super short print, but it's of the full set. So there's 330 of them. There's one for every card in the set. And they say, will you be the one to collect the whole set? No, probably not. Probably not. But it'd be pretty fun to get one. Especially if it's a big rookie like an Adley. So we're looking for here, Adley and Gunnar. See just how rare these numbered cards are in the blasters. There's a Mount Castle. Looking for Orioles here. There's a Steel Walker rookie. Juve. And we do have a Dylan Cease all aces card. Nice insert. Got a Wander backwards. Well, there we go. There's a Stars of MLB. This is my first retail rip, so first time seeing Stars of MLB in person. I like them. I think I like them a little bit better than last year's. Marcus Wilson rookie. And Danny Jimenez. A lot of air in these retail packs. George Kirby Future Stars. Garrett Cole. Ethan Small rookie. O'Neal Cruz Future Stars. Alonso. There's an Adley. Nice. We'll put our first Adley up there. And we've got a Will Clark 88. There's a guy that I guess he was, I think he'd be an 88 in the insert pile. And then there's our Stars of MLB. Threw me off having it upside down with the Wander. I thought maybe it was a parallel, but it's just regular. Getting used to the collation and how the cards are flipped in the blasters. So if you are not familiar with us, we have a website, we have a subscription box, and we do some occasional breaks. Longballbox.com. There's Travis Swaggerty, rookie card. We have an upcoming break. We are breaking a jumbo box of Series 1. The jumbo boxes are what everyone's saying is the best deal if you're looking for parallels and things. So check that out. We're hoping to do that this weekend. So it is on the website right now. Check that out. We do have a rainbow foil. And that is of Green Continues to Impress. So those are not numbered. It's like a checklist card. Mookie Betts, Stars of MLB. So far, that and the Adley are the highlights of the box. A few packs left, though. With 3 boxes, we'll get a decent sample size. Tristan Casas. Thought I'd better go 3 to get an idea. There's a Gunnar. All right. Welcome to the club, Willie Mays. Pete Alonso. Between this and that jumbo that I ripped, basically I have a full set here. Langleer's rookie, Cedric Mullins. Ian Kremer, I'm hoping my Orioles have a good season. Julio Rodriguez card. Evan Lee rookie. Freddie Freeman, the Stars of MLB. So You know in the comments. Did you rip some retail? Did you get anything good? What'd you think? Jonah Bride rookie. Pound Smith. Jay Cronenworth. Brian Servant rookie. Shohei. Michael Grove rookie. There's a Trout. We have a Liberator. 88 design. Yet again, I'm getting these in the off center. Ramirez. Giants. Thompson. Last pack. And this should be the commemorative patch. Pat? Yep. Aaron Nola. Corey Lee rookie. Pulled an auto of Corey Lee. Max Fried. Carlos Rodon. Duran rookie. Agbone. Pasquantino rookie. Daza. Hey, we've got a home run challenge. Byron Buxton. Nice. There we go. An Aaron Judge. This is that piece of plastic in there. Commemorative team logo. It does look pretty cool. There's a blaster box thing. It's fun. Not crazy how they can use that as one of the relics in the hobby or the jumbo boxes though. I think that's kind of bogus. Bryce Harper. Right, that is our first blaster. I'm gonna do the second and third ones in a quicker rip style here. Rip all the packs at once. So we're not here all night. So that first one, didn't get any numbered cards, as we suspected. At least we got an Adley and a Gunnar. Their one rainbow foil was, I guess at least it had Riley Green on it. Do the first few packs at once. All right. Vladdy. Oh, seeing a lot of the same collation here. Tristan Casas rookie. Shohei 88. Again off center. I have seen those when I ripped for one of the breaks on the channel. I got a 88 design that were not off center. Arenado. Langoliers rookie again. There's Mullins again. Some of the same cards. Bride. Goldschmidt. There's a Gunnar. Doubling up. Kremer. And another Julio. And then Diamondbacks. Rainbow foil. I'm just going to put that in here for now. There's a Bobby Witt. Some fumbling. So Serving rookie again. A lot of the same cards. Evan Lee. Haven't caught, there's a Grove. Haven't caught the Michael Harris yet in these. Christian Yelich. Blue Jays. Jazz Chisholm. Corey Lee again. Guess we're getting some of the good rookies. Duran. Pasquantino again. A bit of stickage on that one. Future Stars. All right. So far, first box is winning. Let's say, which isn't saying much. Mountcastle again. I guess, does that mean that we're gonna have an Adley coming up here in this Steel Walker. Yeah, probably. Troy. Altuve. Jackie Robinson. That's nice. Again, OC. Hey, Julio. Stars of MLB. Stowers, rookie. Didn't get that in the first one, so I think the correlation changed here. Hunter Brown. Got a Bobby Witt home run challenge. All right. And there is our commemorative piece of plastic, Brandon Crawford. Adley. There we go. Stars of MLB Adley. Guess that's going up there. Bello. Oswald Peraza. That's another good rookie. Harper. Encarnacion. Hunter Green, Future Stars. Brandon Marsh. There's another All Aces. Garrett Cole. Wonder if these come in parallels. That's pretty cool. Wondering if that is a parallel. Different color than normal. Lindor. All right, well, that was our second one. So let's see if third time's a charm. Probably not. But some fun, nonetheless. Get these quickly again. Again, check out our website, longballbox.com, if you're interested in that break this weekend. It's like $30 for 2 teams, which is what we got on there in that mixer. It's a pretty good deal. A lot of good opportunity for some cool cards. Plus, it's fun to come and hang out. Even if you don't want to buy in, feel free to check out the channel during that time. Go live and have some fun. All right. We'll start with this much here. Hunter Brown again. Alvarez. I like this insert. Riley Green. There we go. Got good insert rookie. There's an Adley. Doubling up on that. Garcia. Juan Soto. Harper again. Freddie Freeman. Toro. And we got another home run challenge card. Gotten 1 per box of these. Riley Green. Could be a good one if we hit. Pete Alonso. So it does look cool. It's just it's fine for a blaster, I say, just not in those hobby boxes. Encarnacion rookie. Anderson. Max Castillo rookie. Wisdom. I might have to go back O'Neal Cruz and double check all these and make sure that I didn't get any of those super short prints, but I doubt it. I think they'd probably be flipped over. Perez, 88 design. Mike Trout. Chisholm. Haniger. And McKinnon rookie. All right, last stack here. Langoliers rookie. Mullins. A lot of the same collation through here. Suzuki. Prado rookie. Contreras, here we go. Different cards. 1-2 punch. Bobby Witt. Arias, Donaldson. Yeah. Bride. Smith again. Oh, stuff we've seen. Servin. Miranda rookie. you, Darvish. And there is a rainbow foil Patrick Wisdom. Yelich. Trevor Story. Shohei. Nola. Another Corey Lee. I think that's our third or fourth Corey Lee. Freed. Mark Appel, rookie. Vogelback. Javi Baez. Even more OC. Luis Robert. There's a Michael Harris. Big rookie there. Duran. Oh, Castle again. Steele Walker again. David VR. There's another Julio, Stars of MLB. And that does it. So, no numbered cards. I didn't see any indication that any of these would be short prints. I'll go through them just to be sure, but I think they'd be flipped over if they were. So that does it. That's kind of par for the course from what I've heard about how the blasters are for Series 1. But got some good rookies, got a few decent inserts, but yeah, that's about how it goes. Well, thank you for checking us out, and be sure to check out our break this weekend, and we'll see you next time.